Ladies and gentlemen, so today guys we're going to talk about sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes is so easy to cook, but a lot of times people be intimidated by them and they'll substitute sweet potatoes and go get a can of yams. So ladies and gentlemen that want to make these sweet potatoes real easy, get a potato peeler from the Dollar Tree and just peel it, cut the top off, the bottom off. And then guys, I do have a pot of cold water sitting right here because the instant that the shell comes off the sweet potatoes, they will turn brown. So I got a pot of water sitting right there. So after I cut it, I just do them, you know, one at a time. And yeah, my mom taught me this. I used to be so intimidated about sweet potatoes and I always would get yams. And she's like, no, don't get no yams, you know. Get sweet potatoes. They the best. And it's just sugar, vanilla flavor, butter. And sweet potatoes make their own water. And there you go. You have the best sweet potatoes ever. So as I'm cutting this, guys, I'm cutting it and putting it right into the cold water because we don't want the potatoes to turn brown. So that's the first step, guys. And then the second step, when I get them up in a pot and just let them cook down, and I'll show you guys the next step. I just want to show you guys the first step. So peel them one at a time, chop them up, put them in the water instantly. Don't let them sit because they will turn brown. Okay, I'll bring you guys with the next step. And you guys can have real sweet potatoes, not yams in a can. All right. Hi, guys. The next step is 1 stick of butter, a cup of sugar, vanilla flavor, and cinnamon. Sorry, I deleted the footage. Guys, this is the finishing results. And your sweet potatoes is all done. I did a little touch of cinnamon on them, guys. So, yes, they're done. And you don't want to overcook them because if you overcook them, then they will start, they'll get mushy. But you see how I'm taking a spoon and it's going right through them. So, they're done, guys. And these will be great sweet potatoes, sweetened just right. So, that's how you will make your own sweet potatoes and not yams in a can. Bye-bye. Sorry, I accidentally deleted the second video. So basically, guys, this is 1 stick of butter. This is 1 cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, and then once they got done, I sprinkled the cinnamon on top. And it deleted that video, guys. So I'm sorry. So to make this, is depend on the more sweet potatoes you use, the more butter. But no water will be put in because sweet potatoes make their own water. And I did 1 thing of I did 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor in this recipe. It deleted it, guys, by accident. I'm sorry, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, there you go. Homemade sweet potatoes. Guys, it's an easy recipe. You will love this better than yams in a can. So, yes, you can do it, guys. So, don't buy the real big ones to peel. Smaller is better. Big ones is harder to peel. Thank you, guys, for watching. Bye-bye.